In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly draw on top of a clip while reviewing your edit, pointing something out, or leaving visual feedback for yourself or someone else. The Annotate feature is a really helpful tool. It lets you mark directly over the video during playback, and it also makes that annotation easier to find later by adding a marker on your timeline. To get started, go to the clip you want to work with. Make sure you're looking at the clip in the viewer so you can clearly see the playback controls underneath it. This is important because the Annotate option is hidden inside a small drop-down menu in that area. Now look just below the playback window and find the drop-down icon. It's located under the clip playback controls. Once you see it, click on that drop-down. This opens a menu with additional viewer options, and from there, choose Annotate. As soon as you select Annotate, you'll be able to draw directly on the clip. This is useful when you want to highlight a specific area on screen, circle something important, sketch a note visually, or simply make review comments more obvious. Since the drawing appears over the clip, it can be much clearer than trying to explain everything with words alone. When using this tool, take your time and keep your annotations simple and readable. Clean markings are usually more effective than drawing too much on screen. If you're using annotations for feedback, try to focus only on the exact area that needs attention so it stays easy to understand. Another helpful thing to know is that when you annotate a clip, DaVinci Resolve will also place a marker on your timeline. That's especially useful during longer edits because it gives you a quick visual reference to where that note was made. Later, if you need to go back and review your comments or continue making changes, that marker helps you locate the exact spot much faster. So the process is very simple. Open the clip, find the drop-down icon under the viewer playback area, click it, choose Annotate, and then start drawing on the clip. After that, DaVinci Resolve automatically helps you keep track of it with a timeline marker. That's how to annotate in DaVinci Resolve. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a fast and practical way to leave visual notes right inside your editing workflow.